pressure washing a deck with an 8-gallon per minute machine. Using a turbo nozzle or oscillating nozzle. He's rinsing now. Sometimes he uses low pressure with this type of wand. It lets a little bit of chemical out, but there's no chemical. We already applied the chemical. And he's just doing the rinse because he did it already. Most of the pressure washing. See how nice that came out? Now give it a little rinse, let it dry 24 hours, then we'll apply a stain. We're going with the Sherwin-Williams Super Deck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.